Good morning, Moses. Got my copy of X11 open. I'm going to grab an exterior wall. There's the rear of the house, front of the house. Let's make it 25 feet deep. Okay. To make it nice at least 60 feet. Okay, now we'll add a porch. See, I need to draw on the other side, don't I? Here we go. Okay, this is 60. I'm going to make this 20. We'll take these three walls and shift select them and then use the centering tool to get a center line. There we go. Now, I'm going to take these three walls, railing walls, and get rid of the railings on the rail style tab. And we'll just make them open and no bottom rail. Post to beam. And then we'll go over to here and make these balusters look like 4x4s or 6x6s. Make it 6x6 this time. There we go. And while I'm here, I'm going to make these settings here. Reset that from drywall, the default, to concrete. Considering I'm going to have a concrete porch. Okay, now I'm going to name this room porch. This doesn't have anything to do directly with building the roof, but in my old age, I've become methodical. Okay, I'm going to lower the floor 3 inches for drainage from the house. Okay, now I'm going to make this, and this gable walls. I'm going to shift select open, go to the roof tab, set that to full gable wall. And let's see here, I want to make sure that on the structure tab we've got flat ceiling and roof over. Okay. I've got the roof set to 512. That's a very common pitch here in Texas. Okay. Now I'm going to build the roofs and just see what I get. Oh, okay. I messed up. I can tell already that, yep, I ordered a gable over the front, and that's not what we want. So I'm going to backtrack, take that order out for a gable here. I think it's a nice looking roof, but anyway, go over to the roof tab and put a hip roof there and see what we get when we rebuild. Turn on auto rebuild. And we got a hip roof. Okay. So I can do this manually really easy, but I want to do this automatically. So I'm going to put a break here parallel with the porch wall. And I'm going to draw temporary walls. Temporary walls are just to guide the roof generator to a result. I'm going to take this wall and line it up. I didn't do a very good job. Line it up with this one. There we go. Now I'm going to shift select these. And tell them to have a gable wall over them, or that they're gable walls. Where's the roof? There it is. I've got auto. Okay, that worked. Let me go back to the overview. And there you are. This is higher because the roof starts further out than the main house. So we got, this is a common wall to all the roofs. And this one's taller because it's wider. The walls that on which it bears are wider apart. Okay, I'm going to go, once the roofs are built, okay, I'm going to go over here to the build roof dialog and turn off auto rebuild because I don't want them rebuilding. Now you can get rid of these temporary walls if you want to. With this kind of house, commonly this is the living area and these are bedrooms and yada yada. But anyway, that's how you do that. The other way, I'm going to delete the roofs. Delete objects, yeah. When you go all floors, of course there's only one floor, but where's CAD? There it is. No. Roof planes, okay, delete. Another way to do this, we'll get rid of the temporary walls. Same wall layout. We'll just draw half of a gable and half of the other half of the gable. And then this gable. Minus 18. Minus 18. I learned that little trick from Dan Bauman years ago. Okay, I need to do the overhang up here. Actually, I've screwed up again. That's okay. This can't be one continuous. It's going to stop. That one's going to stop here. I'm going to take this and copy it. Wow, that worked. Okay. And then join this ridge. See, it's a little bit higher. And then I have to break it off manually so it can come back down here. And we'll join that with the rear roof plane. And we get the same result manually. So there you've seen it done automatically and manually. I haven't done it in a while, so I fumbled around a little bit, but that's basically it. I hope this helps you, Moses. And have a good day wherever you are.